teeth, the thumbs down, you interlace, lay your shoulders, and then fold. Bring your right shoulder to the back. Turn. Knuckles on the floor. Fold. Fold more. Right shoulder in. Good. Nice release. Right shoulder in. Very good. Nice one, guys. How the opposite elbows will be good. If it's hurting your shoulders and arms, have the opposite elbows in the back. Very good. Stay for 5 if possible on your balancing. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Arms up. Take the pose. Arms up. Oh. Palms touch. Now lift your sitting bones a little bit up. Don't put weight on the shin. Your left shin is just touching the wheel. Not lift. 3. Lift your sitting bone up. Up more. Up. Up. Kaya pa? And release.
Grabe. Ganun ba gusto dyan? Hindi na.
Other side. Shake the legs. Practice more on your balancing. Remember balancing? According to yoga study, if you can do more balance in your body, you will be not be prone to any mental issues. It's like depression, mas lesser on your breath, so most likely if you have good balance in your breath. Try harder. You stay there and then you hop, hop, change. The other side, do it at your own pace. Don't get pressure. You do it at your own pace. You don't play around with your balancing. Go, I'll look at you, I'll go to you if you're having a hard time. Nice. Now try to fold into the start journey. Bring your shoulder in. Inside is so good. The opening ng left knee gamay is good. Start journey. And now, or you can bring the left shoulder in. In here, knuckles up and over the head. 1, stay. Or come out of the pose anytime. I will not do the counting. They come out of the pose in your own place. When you're done there, bring your arms, reach up, and then sitting release up. Now lift as high as you can. And now, engage the leg. This one is good for your legs, especially if you're running. This is a good strengthening area. Again, lift. Lift. One last time, lift. And release. If you cannot do the pose hard, distribute the weight. I mean, modify the pose. And strong release. Ready? Sit up more balancing. We'll do our baby grasshopper. What is grasshopper pose? Say grasshopper. Ano? Saman. Gawin mo saman. Yeah, do it on top.
Okay.
Now when you do it on top, stop there. You do it on top, here, bring your elbow in. Or you step your foot first. Okay? Pero gagawin mo muna sa picture ng hardcore. Lift, and you hold. Just here, if you cannot grab hold, don't grab hold. If they say hold more. And then, if they may kaya, modify. You can just bring the foot down, just feel the stretch of your inner thigh. Okay? Let's do the stretch bigger. That one, girl, come on. Right foot, right hand. Left foot, left hand. Mana girl? Ini hand. Here. Sweet. And the left foot, right hand. Oh, sorry naman. Left foot first. Right hand. Second left foot. Bring your right hand here. Right hand. Right. Second your right hand. Now, bring your elbows in. Then, no. Then, left, bring your leg here. Step, step here. Then, straighten this. Wait, I'll go to you guys one by one. Straighten this. Okay. Lean forward. Yeah. Uy! Careful with your wrist and hands, ha? If they didn't kaya, again, 45, you don't have to grab hold. That one. 45. Okay, so bring your shoulder down. Bring it down. Ano, that one. Just hold everywhere. Masa kaya, lift. This one. Press and hold. Lean forward, round your back. Karen! Smile, look forward, look forward. Good, nice one. Putting more of both sides into your body. Color stop. Kaya mo you know that really is a safe. So you hold properly. Hold first. You can lift first like this, and you bend slowly. Hold, bend slowly. Bend slowly. Bukas makaya din na. Yeah, lean forward. Lean forward. Round your back. Lift. Lift this one. Ayan. Nauna-una yan.
Wala yan.
Modify ka na. Do the other side. Yun na. You can lift first. Alisin mo. Hold here. Isang din lang. Ayaw sa foot. Anak. Ayaw pabukasan ulit. Good. Bring your elbow out in front of your left knee. Elbow in front of your left knee. Anak. Isod. Kana. Look forward. Don't look down. Lift it to the table. Isa in here. Lift. Bukas na kayo kanila. Wait. Dili na kayo. Anak. Wait. Okay na to. Pero pag yun na ayun siya, balik na. Pero masaya ito. Balik na. Step first. Ate Juby, okay na ka nila? Left first. Right first. Here. The right hand. You can just hug the knee or hold the knee. Anna, bring your elbows in front sa okay? Lean. Hold here. Ganyan. Lean forward gamay. Lean forward. Good. Hug the belly leg. Round your back gamay. Kana para mas more stretch. Nice. Right here, ha? Wait up. If you cannot really grab hold of your foot back here, you can just stay here. Hold your weight. This is good balancing already. That one girl, lift. Press your elbow palm, down mat. Fire the wheel. More. Kaya ka. Anak
Sige. Wait. I-move mo dito Dito straight. Straight sa akin. Para
bring your balance. Rest.
Ha? Hindi, di ba di siya mukha sa sarili mo? O, wala siya mukha mo.
Hindi na natin.
Nakaray ka ba? Malit ka ba? Sino ginagawa yung mission? Ano ba yung pinagawa?
Yes, anak. Die!
Ikaw ba, sir?
Ay, mas kung happy life, sige, okay, magkuhan ka. Hi, Lord! Tapos pa kayo ay, mga batay ng tira, please. Sige lang, pero may episode. Here, hari ka please. Basta to hold, just lift up. Wala, next time, okay. Right. Careful ha. Ayaw sa event dito. Ayaw i-aim nga mag-grab hold yung ang foot. Your aim is to reach forward and do the balancing first. Second na lang. You're holding your foot. According to the Lean forward. Panak. Bring forward. Anan, nice. Nice girl. Nakabalance this. One joint. Practice makes perfect. Okay, what you will do more. Take time to complete. We still have that standing balances, guys. Stay elbows out there. Okay. Bring your right elbow in front of your right. Right elbow. Anak. In forward. It's up. It's up. It's up. Breathe. Breathe. Take a leg. Now bring your weight right. Bring your weight back like this. Get a stand. Center the mirror of stand on top of the ring of leg first. Now bend your left knee. Now grab hold of your left foot first with both hands. Lift your shoulders up and back. Push your leg. Lean forward. Both hands. Both hands. I'll show you first how way. Both hands. Lift your shoulders up and back. Push your leg away. And then lean forward. Lift the thigh. Lift. You don't have to lean forward too much. Your aim is to bring your foot away from your back as high as you can, according to your flexibility. Okay? Nice one, nice. Careful now, you're wobbling. Every time you feel like your wheel is still moving, come out of the pose and come back lang yun. Ayaw po sa. Careful, yes, that one. Very good. Careful guys, please, with your legs. Hard. Nice, push it away. Push your leg away, girl. Now, don't aim to lean forward. Leaning forward is just for Victoria. Your aim is to push the leg as far as you can, even if you're standing. This is the pose. Leaning forward is just to give you more to a picture. So you don't have to lean forward. Your aim is to push the leg away. Push the leg away. Don't lean forward again. Push the leg away first and lean forward. Almost there. So this one is good enough. This is modified one enough. Push it away first, away. There. And the aim is to stretch your shoulders and your quad. There. Don't lean forward yet. There. Stay there. Now lean forward. You're wobbling. If you want to try on the court, try on the court. It really counts. Marbles and blocks. Marbles and blocks.
Di ba na po eh? Ako ka mo sa other side.
Do the other side if you feel like you're more. Lean forward, ma'am. Push your leg away. Let your foot away. Anak. Yes. Nice one. Don't lean forward. Yes.
Ano yung itsura mo ka? Tuyok mo ka.
Lean forward to your limit. Nice one. Careful with your wheel, guys. Push it away. Stretch your shoulders. Away.
Bilis ka mo, lima.
Push your picture there. Now, so that you can stretch more. Away. Ayos sa rin mo.
So, reason mo,
Away.
i-rest ka na. Ka na.
Away. Moving forward it. And then you lean forward. Push it away.
Supervisor mo?
Lean forward.
Pagawa sa teach assistant ba yun? Orang ang big post na.
Basta.
Nice one. Lift!
Ba't naman actually dahil?
Ay, ito na, bilis ka.
If you're invested in your yoga now, try to invest on your yoga. This one is good.
Organization bar.
Ayun sa people. Okay?
Bibili nga ako ng pork. Mahal siya. Mahal 1,000.
Good. And then, so, that Karen, lean forward, smile and breathe. Nice one. Alright, one more. Okay, if you wanna, if you're in love with yoga, good. Okay? Alright, shake your arms and your legs. Ito, nakilagastuan ni Tutulod. Nakatayo dyan. Careful siya. Hawa-hawa siya. Sakit your thighs. Mauna. Inhale, you push your leg away. Hindi siya perfect. Push your leg away.
Perfectionist.
Labaw! Labaw man eh.
Pressure.
And then try your seated because time is limited. We're gonna do some of your opening next time. Alright? Go to your pigeon. Release the wheel. Gonna do mermaids, but on the sit-in. Go to your downhill. Guys, in your downhill, 3, 2, and 1. Right leg up. Inhale. Bring your right leg forward. Go to your pigeons. Stop. Right straight up. Now, with your pigeon pose, on your pigeon pose, bring your elbows on top so that you can stretch more. You're holding your vertebrae, stretch. Hold. Feel the stretch. Arms touch or interlace. Now push your wheel forward, a bit further forward so that you can stretch more on your shoulders and arms. Good breathing. 6 minutes now. 5, 4, 3, 2, and exhale. Nice. Sit down, stretch, bend the knee, do your mermaid. Do your bring your foot or your wheel on top of your left foot. How do you do your mermaid? If you first high, elbows in, turn. Now, if you're stuck here, you can use the blocks to sit. Now, if you want to do the full mermaid, try to lift this one. Okay? Interlace, and then push your leg away. Gaze on your armpit or gaze on. Squeeze the glutes. If you cannot really find balance, bring your block under.
Wait, sasali ako. Sorry.
Sila muna.
Harry!
Sila ko seryoso.
Kurang ganun din yan. Wow.
Lift your sitting bone if you cannot sit on the feelings. Gamay lang, gamay. Gamay lang. Na. Wait.
Butay ka sa mga kapilis. Tingnan mo ako. Tingnan mo eh. Kasi nakalimutan ko yung mas nag-iis lang. Ay, kalimutan. Mas lang. Hindi pa kayo na.
Alam ko na.
Hindi ka nagsagot. Hindi ka pa
ka sa infront?
Dawas mo ano. Dawas mo ano.
Push your leg away. Leg away.
Nice. Nice lang.
Wow, so it's mine.
Mamakinig ko. Ayun.
Leg away and move your block ha. Ay,
Pagkakot
pagaling.
sa taas.
Engage.
Engage lang.
Engage.
Awan natin ko.
Yes.
Learning.
More.
Dali!
Okay.
Bigyan ko ba? Parang pa.
Isa pa kayo ng team. Engage yan. Engage pa kami. Kung sa'yo tayo.
Dali!
Forward naman.
Now, if you really feel too much pain in your inner thighs, go ahead and kaya ba? Bring it up. Kaya? Listen to your body half.
Mag-first yun.
Ano na siya?
Puro pa kayo?
Ako.
Ayaw din.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice.
Lagbuan na ka.
Over.
Nice. Si Jordan.
Ayaw na yung journey. Just like that. Test mo na din siya. Masih sa with this one, it's very easy compared to doing it on your own. You have to engage. And one of you is here. hand. Do the other side, down dog, and do your picture. Lean back up. Gaze up. Gaze up. Lean back up. Bukating. Bukating. I'm trying. You don't have to introduce. Ayaw i-aim. Your aim is to stretch. Right arm up. Ayaw i-aim ang interlace. Nothing matters. Listen to your body. Move your fingers. Move your fingers so that you can stretch. Push it back. Push it back. Push it more. Pull and push. Yeah, you don't have to interlace, guys. Listen to your body. Do the region first. On the other side, elbows on top so that you can loosen up your arms. Maybe on the other side, you're more flexible. Left leg na side in front. Almost done. I'm gonna stretch your legs. Go. Get the breathing. Last three. Stretch na. Listen to your body. Go to your toes. 2 and 1. Where your mermaids. If we still have time, we'll do one more other. If we still have time.
Oo, matagal siya. Oo, matagal siya. Ikaw ba siya gagawin? Hindi na siya sa beach.
Breathe out.
Huwag na lang ganit ka mag-breathing.
Yes.
Oy, mas pamusad ko makita ko eh. First, sa tuwid. First. First. Ano, mas mat ko sa pitas. Hindi lagi. Mas pagod.
Nice.
Boy, Diyos ko. Hindi na muna na ako.
Kuya ba yung smile? Silang tulo. Baliw ko ba?
Knee down. Knee down. Yeah. Okay, kata. Much more.
Start. Solo ka yan eh. Ako na ang start mo.
Lingkod, Chris! Lingkod sa black ba? Dili, nagkulo ka. Nagkulo ka. Nagpalas ka.
Ayaw lean forward.
Ano? Tipad. Dili.
Jessica, kamay 1, 2, 3, breathe.
Patay!
Wow, nice naman.
One more ha. Back to your limits, back to your limits.
Sige,
Nine. Rimba.
Pati, nagkalag-coach pa mo?
Nice. Nabuko naman. Ayan.
Tapos nga, tanong sila ba? Tanong sila ba?
Ano to? Sige. Ayan.
Curse si mom. Ay,
Expired na kayo.
expired na ba? Expired na siya.
Bring your legs in front, shake your legs.
Next to start.
We'll do more next time. Okay, grabe kayo minutes is fine. Ano kumara pa. Shake your legs. We're gonna do back bends before we end the food. So relax the spine, bring your feet behind. Stretch your spine. Right, sit down. Bring your wheel to your upper back. Just. So with your upper back, hug the opposite elbows. Stay. 1, 2. Bend the knees, feet together, and feet closer to your sitting bone. 3, 2, and 1. Keep your wheel on your upper back. Bring the hips up. Massage your upper back. Stay your hips up a little. If kaya pa, lift. Weight on the upper back, not on the lower back, not on the middle. Upper back. Hips up. When you bring your hips up, make sure you squeeze your butt under. Protect your lower back, please. Engage. Squeeze the glutes. Keep the breathing. 1, 2, and 3. Now, option 1 is to come out of the pose. Option 2 is to go directly stretch on your lower. Bring your wheel on your lower back. Slowly naman, this is a bit tricky. Careful with your spine. Walk closer. Walk. Make sure that it's just center. And then have those lower back. Straighten the legs. Straighten your legs. Let go. Squeeze your glutes under still. Keep the breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now keep the pose. Release the hands. Let go the head. Now in the mat. Now your hands is open to a T. Make sure you're breathing in and out of the inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And then slowly hold your wheel with your hands. Walk your hands in front, hold your wheel. Now slide your shoulders down. Don't lift the legs yet, bend the knees back, shoulders down. But you bend the knees. Slide good, slide until you can bring your shoulders down. Chin to your chest, para na lang yung shoulders down. Now bring the heels up. Grab hold of your ankle with your hands. Stretch your coccyx here, coccyx.
Anak bitch?
Stretch. Hold your ankle. Shoulders down. Wait, I'll go to you.
Okay. Mga?
Yes. This is a good stretch of your coccyx. Shoulders down. Nice
Mom.
one. Ano? Nice. Hold your knees. Ankles. Good.
Nagkakita ko sa mom.
Shoulders down. Chin to your chest. Shoulders down. Slide. Slide more.
Lagi mo na ba ko?
Slide more.
Nasaan yung mom ko?
Get the breathing. Shoulders down. Chin to chest. Chin to chest. Slide. Chin to
Kaya ko rin suka niya.
Mahilang.
Mamula ka sa kanina.
Anak. Nice stretch. 1, 2,
Kita ka?
and 3. Chin to chest, please. Chin to chest. Chin to your chest. Chin. Slide your shoulder. Hold. Slide your shoulder. Chin to chest, and then slide your shoulder. Slide down. Shoulders down. Legs up. Inhale, legs up. Arms down, palms down, or hold your wheel. Point the toes up. One stretch lang here ha. Use your eagle leg. Load up. Bend both knees. Bend and stretch.
tiil. Teach. Saan ang tiil?
Your shoulders.
Down imong kuan sis, imong shoulder down.
Asa naman?
Saan ang tiil?
Other side, do the other side. Change the interlace. Bend the knees.
Thank you, Teach. Miss Karen. Miss Karen.
Nice one. Okay. And
Miss
the next
Karen.
arm.
Miss Karen.
Triangle arms. Feet together. I go to you one by one. Stay there, ha? Guard. Palms down now. I go to you one by one so that you can massage your spine.
Mana ka, Miss Kar?
Sit.
Siya lang sa.
Feet together. I go to you one by one and massage your spine.
Up din.
Guard, fish. Anak ka, picture ni Guard. Yes, guard.
Thank you, Miss Karen.
Yung hands sa kilid ng isang kilid ba? Kilid ka ba? Go to your fish, guys, and lie down on your mat. Okay, relax na rin. Okay, this is a very good massage on the spine, so wait for me, guys. Why you come with me? Why you come with me? Let's go. Like, you're holding on to it, are not like short videos. Manali siya. Relax your hands. Sorry. Nice, eh? Now interlace your fingers, give yourself a big stretch with the mat. Sorry. Nice girl. Go to your fish a little bit and then lie down on your back. Ay, sorry. My God, I'm so sorry. Sige, interlace. One last final stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Sit down. Stretch. Release. Bring back your spine to neutral. And shake your hands in your arms. And resting, find your comfortable shavasana. Your choice on your shavasana. Release your weight on the feet, blocks under your sacrum, feet together to butterfly. Up to you. Make sure you're very comfortable and make your body heavy on it. Let go of your body. This is the time to relax, enjoy, and absorb the benefits of each poses that we did. Good job, girls. Vasana. Give you a quick head touch. If you don't feel having cream or oil in the head, bring your palms to the heart of the elbow down. That's a very good one. back your awareness into this room, into your body. Make some movements. Toes and fingers will go a little bit size. Now, one last final big stretch. Go into your body's stretch. Stretch, release the blocks, release the feet on the medium of the knees, massage back, be gentle with your spine. Massage your back, roll to your favorite side. Go to left or right. One breath there, make one arm as your pillow, inhale. Exhale. And then you're ready to roll up, keep closing the eyes, find your comfortable sit pose. Reach both arms up. Palms touch, bring it to your heart center. Close the eyes. Let's do this practice with 3 good releasing breaths. With 2 sharp inhales through the nose. You exhale, open them. Do it at your own pace. 2 sharp inhales. Open the mouth, exhale, let it go. Last one. And go back to your normal breathing. Palms together to your line, lips into the heart. Thank yourself for coming in today and for showing and for not giving up our practice. We and I wish you oneness and happiness with each other. Be yoga and be happy. Hands down, bow down, and sit. Thank you guys. Sorry, I was very late. Hindi ko naliwan para ako ilagay. Dahil kasi na-9 na yun lang yung schedule. Wala yung kanilay.
Dito.
No? Nag-run to the center. Kira mo na yun, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Pero makakasang sa 2 hours.
Actually, 2 hours na yung before. Pag-lasi yung estudyante ko na sa March na yun. Napainig ko, ha?
Ilangan mo, Doctor!
Ano, may picture ba?
Absent ang mga bata.
Yang sinabi na po yung hindi pa try to be with you guys.
Absent ang mga bata.
Ayun! Dahil absent tayo ko namin ito. Kapag nga sa iyo ka. Kapag nga na rin one night.
Hi, ladies, meron ako si Kimchi.
Absent. Kasi gusto ko yung bilis ka ba? Hindi mo na nasa-absent ng mga bata.
Yes, mga bata, ay absent nila. Absent na lang ako. Sorry na. Pagdali ko sa kaya.